Welcome to my channel. My name is Marie with Lotus Candles Co. In today's video, I'll be talking and making lotus candles and chit-chatting about it. I have been drinking a lot of lotus flower tea recently, and I enjoy the way it makes me feel calm. I had an idea to make lotus candle since I also had lotus fragrance oil. So I start by cleaning my vessel, and that ceramic vessel, I actually made that in college. It was embarrassing then. Lotus plants are adapted to grow in the flood plains of slow-moving rivers and delta areas. Stands of lotus drops 100 of thousands of seeds every year to the bottom of the pond. While some sprouts immediately and most are eaten by wildlife, the remaining seeds can remain dormant for an extensive period of time as the pond silts in and dries out. Nurtured by the words of the wise, with each raindrop calling his name, in an infinite shower of love, the lotus blossom gently unfolds, as by its very nature must, and displays the scent of beauty, free from attachment, free from fear, free from anger, and still unmoving heart. Lotus Blossom by David Taylor. Right now, I am removing the warning label to replace it with mine. Lotus flowers are beautiful flowers that are commonly associated with purity, inner strength, and tranquility. I am using the Lotus Blossom fragrance oil from Nature's Garden. This flower represents spiritual enlightenment, detachment from materialism, purity, tranquility, and calmness, new beginning, rebirth, wisdom. Given its symbolic meanings, the lotus flower is considered one of the most sacred plants. Despite its muddy and murky environment, lotus has long been revered for its ability to remain unsullied and pure. So right here I am pouring the blended wax with fragrance oil. It smells so good. And I am pouring those in these vessels. Lotus candles make great gifts. It can be gifted to someone coming of age. It's a reminder to stay grounded and true to oneself while ever striving upwards. For someone going through a difficult period in their life, the lotus is a symbol of overcoming diversity and hardship while still keeping one's spirit intact. It can be gifted as a romantic gift to a loved one. The lotus represents the tendency to hold on to your relationship and the willingness to grow together. Lotus asana opens a lot about your body and mind. It makes you peaceful and calm. It makes you gentle and warm. It even changes speech. Your mind is flying high. You can't be rude after it. Your thoughts are straight and fine. Intelligence rules itself. Nature takes care of you. Illness means you're blessed. Nature is healing you. Lotus Asana by Lisa Sood. I use these candles in my bathroom. I place them near one another and lit them whenever I'm ready to take a bath and relax, drinking my tea, all that. So I added some crystals the next morning and dried lotus. It's so beautiful. It smelled really good. If you guys can make this, please make sure to tag me on Instagram at COCO Candles. With all of this being said, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this kind of relaxing videos, thumbs up and comment, and I'll see you in my next one.